Alright, we're going to go for a little ride here in a really nice little short bed Chevy pickup. These are great. They're a bargain for what they cost. This is a 2001 1500 LS version Silverado. So it's got a V8 in it, 4.8 liter V8. I think they're like 270 horsepower. It's got the 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. This guy put some upgraded 20-inch Chevrolet wheels on it. They're polished. They look real nice. Good tires. This guy took really good care of it. Actually, the person that owned this truck was in charge of a fleet of vehicles. So you can imagine how well you take care of your own car when you're in charge of a lot of vehicles. But it's got navigation, nice little Kenwood setup, backup camera, full gauges, and the LS package I think comes with power windows, power locks. This one's got tinted glass, updated tinted glass. It's got a cargo light. It has a tonneau cover with a rubber mat in the bed to protect the bed if you want to put something back there. Tow package. It's got tow haul mode on the transmission. Got 136,000 miles. Not a lot for one of these motors. These LS motors last a long time, and if they're cared for, who knows how long. I've had them with 300,000 miles. A really good truck. We'll go up here and take some pictures of it so you can get a little better look, a little bit more video for you too. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with our 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500 pickup. It's a 2-wheel drive. It's got the LS version. Like I said earlier, it's got the V8, the 4.8 with the overdrive transmission. Got updated 20-inch wheels. Previous owner also put updated brake rotors on there, drilled and slotted, a little better braking power. It's got a catback Flowmaster exhaust system, so it's not loud, it just sounds good. Light Pewter Metallic is the color. Of course, got a tow package. Also added the locking hitch, so you can put your goodies back there and lock it up. Nice tonneau cover. It's got a rubber mat on the floor of the bed. Paint's nice though. Paint and body are in good shape. Tinted windows. Just overall a really nice little truck. Show you the inside. So it's finished in the carbon gray. It's got cloth seats. They're in good shape too. Usually the bolsters are worn out once they have 130,000 miles, but like I said, this guy took really good care of this truck. That's why we have it here. We usually deal with classic cars, but I really like these. You can drive them every day. You can throw your stuff in the back. You can go to work in it if you want. Even the key buzzer works. But it's got a cargo lamp. Like I said earlier, it's got the Kenwood navigation system, backup camera. But it has cruise control and power windows, power locks, cup holders, airbags, a little bit of everything. Got the little light setup up here. Put your sunglasses in there. Good looking truck for not a lot of money. Should last the next person quite a while. Here's the power plant in the 1500 Silverado pickup. It's a smaller V8, but at least it's a V8. It's a 4.8 liter, 270 horsepower, LS version. It's got overdrive transmission, analog brakes, power steering. It's got all the goodies and really well kept and clean. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Sounds good with a little Flowmaster exhaust. Nice and quiet under the hood, all smog legal. No modifications here. A nice little rumble. Well, if you want to see this truck in person, come out and see me in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show you the truck, in person. It's a good one. Thanks for watching.